In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix dual boot menu missing in Windows system. First, I'm going to check my boot systems. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type msconfig, click on OK. Then click on Boot tab, and here I have only one boot operating system, but in my computer I have several boot operating systems. I am going to check another way. In search, type View, click on View Advanced System Settings. In System Property, click on Advanced tab. Under Startup and Recovery, you will find Settings. Click on Settings, and here I have only one operating system. Click on OK and click on OK again. Go to File Explorer, click on this PC. Here I have three operating systems, but F drive and G drive's operating systems are missing in boot menu. Only C drive's operating system is showing in boot menu. Close File Explorer. Now I am going to fix this issue. In search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type bcdedit /set second bracket bootmgr second bracket close display boot menu. Yes. Now hit enter. The operation completed successfully. Now next command. I have operating system in F drive and G drive. Type bcdboot drive letter G clone \windows /add last /d. Now hit enter. Boot file successfully created. I have another operating system in F drive. So I have to repeat the same command for F drive. Just replace drive letter F from G and then hit enter. The boot file successfully created. Close command prompt. Now I'm going to check. Right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type msconfig, then click on OK. Click on Boot tab, and here you will find three boot operating systems. And if you require, you can change the default operating system. Click on Apply, then click OK to close system configuration. Now you need to restart your computer to apply these system configuration changes. That's it. These are the best way to fix dual boot menu missing in Windows system.